Hello, I am so glad that you're here. My name is Eva Enns, and I have been decorating cakes for a long time. I really enjoy that, and I also really enjoy teaching the art of whipped cream cake decorating to others. So I hope today's video inspires you. I hope you found today's video helpful, and if you have any questions about the classes that I give or my recipes, I've left all the details in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.